I'm standing here right out front of Beaver Lake at this fabulous unit number 26 at Beaver Lake Resort. I'm Nick Wassbauer with the O's Galloway Real Estate Group, and this park model is one of the largest in the complex, features 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a ductless heat pump, a large storage shed that could be used as a bunkhouse, a beautiful gazebo with fire pit, and right by the lake for everyday summer living for you and your family. Come inside and take a look.